Hello, my beautiful train wrecks. This is Jill, and Tom is over at his desk.
No.
And this is Diamond Penny with the Edwards family. And this kit is something very special. I bought this for, I have my phone here. Bianca Hennings is doing an event for, it starts April 1st, 2024 at 1 a.m. New Zealand time. What time is that in America? I have no idea. When I do the kit down, I will have figured that out. But yes, and it's open to the public. Everyone is welcome to join. So I decided, hey, I'm going to do it. This is my first event. So I liked the image. So I said, sure. So I will keep that information up. Let's see. I bought this on Temu. I spent $13.48 on it. This is a round. It is a 40 by 75 centimeter. And according to this, it says it is acrylic. So this will be my first acrylic. So pardon the glare, it's only because of really the plastic. So let's just open this up. And pardon the beep beep beep. That is me saying my blood sugar's a little high.
Oh, it's you for once.
It's me. My blood sugar's a little high. So, I'll have to put this sideways for the moment. Don't worry, editor. Don't worry, editor. Don't worry.
Nice
So-
hair, editor.
Okay. So, this is a 40 by 75. So let's start up here. And he's got his steampunk hat on. And there is his lovely face. And then he's got his little outfit on. And I think it's hard to tell because of the glare. Let me pull up the actual photo. This is the actual photo. Okay. Come on, autofocus. There. See, that's what he's supposed to look like that. He's got his hat. And this looks like a Maine Coon cat. I just thought that was too cute. And I was like, okay, if this is what we're doing, this is what we're doing. So let's see. How many colors are there? I'll take my glasses off real quick. It looks like there are numbers, letters, symbols. Let's see. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 20, 21, 22, 23, 24, 25, 30, 36 colors. All right, so let's see how sticky the canvas is. Yeah, that's excellent. And it looks like I have my glasses off because, you know, I diamond paint with my glasses off. But it looks like the symbols are very clear. So I think that's going to be lovely. Let me put that to the side, because that's a very long canvas. Let's look at the diamonds. I am going to kit this up immediately. But I'm going to make it 2 videos. I wanted to do a proper unboxing and kitting up, and have Wyatt edit them and get them on the channel pretty quickly. So there may be, pardon that movement, that was the cat. So there may be for a while more than 2 videos. And when we go to kit this up, I'll talk to you more about that. Okay. We have a pink, a purple, a gray, 2 310s, gray, blue, darker blue, like a rose pink color. There's a lot of grays. Pardon. I said cat and then they all come running. There's some more grays. That's like a charcoal gray. Yes, my blood sugars are not behaving, so that noise that you hear is my sensor. And you already know my beautiful train wreck. This is like home. I would normally put this in a plastic Ziploc bag, zip top pencil bag, but since I'm going to kit these up tonight and we're visiting Wyatt tomorrow, I can take the whole passport and he can download everything. So at least 2 of these videos are going to be really pretty. Okay, we have a cream color, brown, like a rose pink. This is like a purplish color. Blues. This is like a lavender. Another pink. This is like a grape. Lavender. Pinks. Yeah. Well, we got all of those. So, that's what I'll be working on. Because I will be working on Steampunk Kitty. And gonna do something a little different. Since this is an event. This is gonna be filmed a little different. I can't wait to tell you about it on the next video. So with that, love you guys. Bye. Hugs and kisses. See you on the next video.